Okay, here's question 21, and in question 21 it's asking me to write the fraction as a decimal. Now these are really easy questions, and again you'll use the same approach in the other questions in this section 22 to 28. All you have to do when you want to change a fraction to a decimal is divide. Numerator divided by denominator, or top number divided by bottom number if you need to think of it that way. So yes, I'm going to do 1 divided by 8. Not 8 divided by 1, but 1 divided by 8. These are great calculator questions, so I'm going to put in 1 divided by 8 on my calculator. You can do long division if you want to, but I know you don't. And when I do 1 divided by 8 on the calculator, I end up with an answer of 0.125, and that's all you have to do to change that into a decimal. Now, question 29 is asking me to make up a fraction that cannot be simplified and that has 24 as its denominator. So as you can see, that's what I've highlighted right here, that it's a fraction we cannot simplify and has 24 as the denominator. So 24 is the denominator, bottom number. The top, I just have to figure out something that cannot simplify. Tip to something like this is generally you're going to be able to pick something that's probably just one number off, because we know that usually an odd and an even don't really have a lot of common factors usually. If it was two even numbers, we know usually 2 is going to come out of both of them. All right, that's no question in our minds. If we have something that's a little bit further apart, we know something like 3 might be able to come out of them. But usually if we pick something that's just a 1 off, it's not going to simplify. And indeed, in this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick 23. 23 is one number off from 24, but there's no number I can take out of 23 and 24. That fraction cannot simplify and satisfies what they're asking me for question 29.